Hi, welcome to the Schedulers tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use one of our add-ins, the scheduler. The scheduler finds the best sequence of task allocation on the resources in a short time horizon, considering several production constraints as due date, machine setups and calendars, precedence relationship between activities and energy consumption. The output is then shown on an editable Gantt chart. This add-in provides several demo scenarios that show how to manage the different features of the scheduler. Clicking Demo 1 button, a new Excel sheet is generated. The first column is filled with information about the scheduler, which data requires to be provided and how to configure settings and parameters. In the Settings tab, user can configure the ranges of cells that contains its input data and where to write the output data. In the Log and Params tab, user can check any logged information about warning occurred during execution, but also set the parameters of the schedule plan. These parameters are a set of weights that will lead the scheduler optimization process to the best solution based on the selected criteria. The Gantt chart is the core of the add-in. It provides a graphical instrument to immediately and easily analyze the output of the scheduler. It also allows user to interact and to update the scheduled output changing activities allocation. Clicking Demo 5 button, another Excel sheet is generated. This demo shows all the features that the scheduler manages. The first entity that needs to be configured is the Jobs table, containing the list of the work orders that must be carried out with a release date, due date and the identifier of the first activity of the order. After that, user must define the list of the atomic activities that belong to the order cycles, having duration time and the resource that can process the task. They can also have an alternative group and an energy consumption used to generate an energy-aware schedule. Also, if necessary, user can define precedence relationships between tasks belonging to the same order, and the task's attributes for a sequence-dependent setup management. User also must define the calendar for each resource as a set of buckets with start and end date. Moreover, if tasks have attributes to be managed, for each resource user must define the setups matrices with transitions, durations and costs. Last, if user want to obtain an energy-aware schedule, it must define the calendar with the energy tiers and related cost. Clicking the Schedule button, the output is written in the configured columns, as a list of scheduled tasks with selected resource, start and end date. But also the Gantt chart is filled with the scheduled output and immediately shown. Below the Gantt, instead, a set of predefined KPIs shows some common information about solution quality. As said, the Gantt chart provides bidirectional link between chart and spreadsheet. Enabling edit mode, user can drag and drop activities on the time axis and the output table will be immediately updated with the new values. On the other hand, changing a value on the sheet, the Gantt will be updated consequently. Changing weights values, user can obtain schedules that minimize some KPI rather than others. For example, increasing the weight of the energy cost, a new schedule with a total energy cost lower than the previous one is obtained. Again, switching the weight of the energy cost with that of the setup's duration, another different schedule is generated. This time it take into account the total duration of setups, obtaining a lower value for this KPI. Thanks for watching this video and remember to visit our website i4excel.com, to stay updated on all our add-ins and to contact us.